Hi everyone, my name is Jared Rhodes and welcome to my course, Navigation in Xamarin.Forms Applications. I am a Microsoft MVP for the Azure platform and a Xamarin certified developer at Kimata Technologies, a consulting and training firm based out of Atlanta, Georgia. In this course, we are going to discuss mobile navigation patterns by looking at App Store design guidelines and the different navigation types, splitting those into discussions of ones directly supported by Xamarin.Forms navigation objects and those not directly supported. Then we will discuss stack-based navigation in Xamarin.Forms. We will look at navigation pages, passing data between pages, animating those navigations, and how to use modals. Once we complete our discussion on stack-based navigation, we'll move into stackless navigation. This will cover data templates, master detail pages, and tab pages. By the end of this course, you'll know the concepts of navigation in Xamarin.Forms well enough to get started building your first project. I hope you'll join me on this journey to getting started with app development with C# and Xamarin with the Navigation in Xamarin.Forms Applications course at Pluralsight.